a testament of God's faithfulness through the highs and lows of life. So I encourage everyone po to please, let's open our hearts and listen attentively as this person will testify God's faithfulness in her life. So, tinatawagin ko po dito sa unahan, si Ate Pauline.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Amanda Pauline Carandang. I am the first daughter of Anel and Kat. I have a little sister named Sime. I am standing here in front of you to give glory and honor to God to His 7 years of goodness in my life. My parents told me that before I was born, the nurse can detect my heartbeat. My mom was having a pre-eclampsia. Her BP was too high, so the doctor decided to have an emergency CS. My dad was too worried, thinking that I might not be able to make it. Daddy was thinking that I might be dead already. What he did was he knelt praying in the CR. He surrendered my life to God and let His will be done. And God heard his prayers. I am a testimony of their prayers and declarations since I was in Mommy's womb. They have been praying for me that I will always be favored, no sickness will harm me, that His goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life. Right now, I am a part of prayer works every Friday. Even sometimes I am just playing with time. I believe that God is working in my life. He will use me more for His glory. I would like to encourage every one of you to continue to seek the Lord and serve Him, for our hard works will not be in vain. As for me and my family, we will serve the Lord. I am Amanda Pauline. I am God's child and may His life always desire to praise, worship, and serve the Lord Most High. To God be the glory and happy birthday to me.